Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your rear wiper blade on a 2016 Kia Soul. I have this replacement right here. It's this TRICO Exact Fit, size 11A. This is an 11-inch rear wiper blade. This is for a Kia Soul, but it should work for many other vehicles. It's very simple. See how this one's hanging? Don't let them get like that. It has a clip right here to hold it in, and then it's on a little rod. So all you do, pop it out here, pull on this part here to get that clip off, and then simply pull it right off. So again, clip in, pull straight out. See this little clip right here? That's just a little clip. It just has a little plastic that holds it on. Get your new blade. Here is the new blade. See, it has a little rod. Push it onto there, right there. So first we just push this on, and then push it in. Snapped into place. See a little snap. Boom. All done. It's that easy. No reason to not do it. It's not expensive, and it's not hard. And I hope this video helps you with your vehicle maintenance.